मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ सिर्फ अपनी क्लासेस दिखाने के लिए। कैसी है? अच्छी है। Hi guys, I am Ruba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my video is about how to make color paper at home. That is very easy to make. I hope that you like it, and don't forget to watch video till end. And we are going to make color paper with that things that everyone have at home. Now let's get started. Welcome guys, so now let's get start making the color paper at home. So for that we need white paper. I know that not everyone have white paper, but guys, if you don't have any white paper, you can use any notebook paper or white chart paper. If you don't have any that, like you don't have any notebook paper or you don't have any chart paper, don't worry, you can use any used paper like this paper, printed paper that you didn't use. So I didn't use this paper. I thought let's recycle this. Why we don't recycling this? So we are going to make color paper with that thing. I mean with this paper. And the back side of this paper is white, so I'm going to paint on. So sometime when we paint on the writing part, so it don't go away. We still can see, so that's why I'm going to paste the paper on the top, so the back side and the front side will be all white, and we are going to paint it. So this is A4 size paper, so you can use any size of paper that you have at home. So we are using glue for pasting the paper. You can use any kind of glue. I am using the scrap glue. You can use any kind of glue that you have at home. Like you can also use homemade glue. I am going to give you the link in the description. You can see it and you can make glue at home. So now let's get started. You can also use double side tape, guys. You can put tape in the corners and the middle and you can paste it, okay? Use anything that you have at home. So now let's get started. So now I'm going to apply the glue on the whole paper. And now let's get started. So guys, I am done applying the glue. Now I'm going to paste the paper. So be careful. Then when you put the paper, don't press it. You press with the help of any dry brush. So just press it with the help of any dry brush. So you can still see the writing part, but don't worry, we are going to paint it, then we are not going to see. So now let me close the cap of my glue. Always always put the cap of glue when you done applying the glue on anything, because sometimes the cap is open and when we just forgot to put the cap back, so the glue will dry. So remember, when you done applying the glue, you have to close the cap of glue. Okay, so guys, now I'm done pasting that. So now you can use your hand to press it a little bit. And now what we have to do, get any heavy book and put it on the paper. So like this is very heavy book, so put on every area, and see the paper is like, you know, it's turning like straight. Follow the same step, guys. Okay, now what you have to do, we have to iron it soon a bit. So guys, I ironed the paper, as you can see that this is very straight now, and now you cannot see any writing part now. See, we can see just a little bit, but when we are going to paint it, and it will be like, you know, then we are not going to see the writing part, it will be go away. So now I'm going to I think I'm going to paint yellow paint or blue paint. I think let's use yellow because I don't have any yellow paper, and I'm going to paint it. Now let this start it. Oh wow, yellow color is so, like, you know, yellow color is looking so good on this paper. You can see yellow is very bright color and it looks so beautiful. And we also need water. Let me get it. Oh my god, my water is all yellow now. Oh no, let me get it again. Put the paper like here, like see, I put the paper and then put this paper on the top for less mess. अगर आप लोग मैस नहीं करना चाहते तो आप लोग एक नीचे पेपर रख लें ताकि आपको कोई मैस ना हो. You can also put newspaper. Wow, I love this. So guys, see, when we paint it, we cannot see the writing part now. But let me paint all the paper soon a bit. Guys, after 2 hours, finally my paper is dry and I painted. See, I paint all the paper, and I'm so tired now because 2 hours, 2 hours ago I'm still painting, and now my paper is also dry. See, so the paper is so thick, like, you know, thick color paper are so good and they make awesome painting, awesome craft. And from I mean, when I'm going to do craft, so I'm going to use this paper, so I'm not going to throw it. Yeah, I'm not going to throw it, I'm going to use. So see guys, I said to you that the writing part will be hide when you're going to paint it, and we cannot see the writing part. And if you're still if you don't like this, I mean, if you want to straight the paper, you can also iron it. Let me check that when I iron it, what will be happen. See you in a bit. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you like my video, and my paper is so nice. I love it, and I iron it, and this is straight, guys. You can iron it too, but be careful, don't burn the paper. You know, this is so cool and I love it. This is looking like a real paper, right? And we are going to craft with it, and I'm sure that next time I'm going to use this paper. And so I didn't paint on the back side because I said let's just paint on the front side because I was too tired. So I didn't paint on the back side, but it's okay. You can paint it on the from the back side. If you don't want to paint, just leave it. And if you need white paper, You just need white paper. Don't paint it, okay? You can just leave like that, and then you have white paper, and when you're going to paint it, then you have a paper, a color paper. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you like it. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Still guys, bye. And now I have to clean this all mess.